Top 10 Biggest Tech Companies in 2022.
Today, technology is one of the most powerful sectors shaping the global economy and setting trends. So here we will tell you about the biggest tech companies that are running the world. This list includes the biggest companies in different areas of the digital industry, such as software, hardware, media, e-commerce, telecommunications, and others.
This ranking was established at the end of July 2022. The ranking is based on the market capitalization of the digital giants. Most people think that all the best tech companies are based in the United States. But in recent years, a few Asian companies have made their way into the tech top 10. See for yourself. 1. Apple. Apple is the largest tech company by market capitalization, which is $2.431 billion. It is also the most profitable digital company in the world, with annual revenue of $386 billion for 154,000 employees. Recently, Apple was considered the most important company in the world among all industries until Saudi Aramco joined the list in 2019 and pushed the digital giant to second place. Apple has millions of fans around the world who are willing to queue for hours to get Apple's great products. It is undoubtedly a significant achievement that makes it one of the most successful and admired brands in history. The company was founded on April 1, 1976, by Steve Wozniak, Ronald Wayne, and Steve Jobs. Initially, they started by producing home computers and proprietary models of PCs. But their greatest success came when their iPhone and iPad lines were showcased to the world, which made Apple one of the richest companies ever. Today, Apple's product range is very wide and includes smartwatches, computers, laptops, tablets, smartphones, etc. Apple's headquarters are in Cupertino, California, USA. 2. Microsoft. Microsoft is the second largest company in the technology sector today, with a market capitalization of over $1.9 trillion. It is also one of the most expensive brands and companies in the world. This internationally renowned company was founded in 1975 by Bill Gates and Paul Allen. They proposed using built-in software for home computers to make the PC experience easy, user-friendly, and intuitive. This is how the Windows operating system was born. He brought Microsoft incredible success and huge profits. Since then, the company has diversified its services and expanded its markets. Today, Microsoft offers operating systems for computers, servers, phones, smart gadgets, as well as productivity apps, business solution apps, management and development tools, games, and more. Things again. Recently, Microsoft has slightly changed its scope of activities. The company is now focusing on innovative technologies such as machine learning, artificial intelligence, and cloud computing. She tries to become a leader in this field. The company is headquartered in Redmond, Washington, USA. In terms of market cap, the company is worth $1,920 billion. The annual turnover, meanwhile, is $193 billion for 181,000 employees. 3. Alphabet Inc. Probably almost every internet user has heard of Google at least once. But some may not know that in 2015, the world-famous internet giant changed its official name to Alphabet Incorporated. At that time, the company was already much more than the engine of Google search. Today, more than 30 popular services and affiliates are part of Alphabet Holding. Furthermore, the conglomerate has many interesting side projects such as Calico, an aging research project, or Nest, a smart home project. Not to mention the Android OS. In addition, Alphabet has the Google Venture division, which invests in startups, as well as Google Capital for long-term projects. No wonder Alphabet is one of the most trusted tech companies in the world. The conglomerate was created in 1993 by Sergey Brin and Larry Page. The head office is located in Mountain View, California, USA. In terms of market cap, the company is worth $1,478 billion. The annual turnover, meanwhile, is $270 billion for 156,500 employees. 4. Amazon Inc. Amazon ranks fourth in our ranking by market value. It also has the largest number of employees in the technology sector.
Some would argue that Amazon is more of a retailer than a technology company.
It's just. However, it has an IT division which brings in around 15% of its annual revenue. Let's not forget that the main product of the company is the online shopping service.
Also, you have probably heard of the cloud computing platform called Amazon Web Service. It helps startups, corporations, governments, and academic institutions build any type of online business by providing compute, storage, database, and other technology services. Also, there are thousands of Alexa devices that have already found their way. The company was founded in 1994 by Jeff Bezos and is headquartered in Seattle, Washington, USA. In terms of market cap, the company is worth $1,155 billion.
The annual turnover, meanwhile, is $478 billion for 1,608,000 employees. 5. Meta Platforms Inc., Facebook. Facebook is one of the fastest growing companies and one of the most expensive brands in the world. Indeed, its market value of $446 billion reflects the extraordinary popularity of this internet project. Facebook was developed by Mark Zuckerberg in February 2004. The social network is currently visited by more than 2 billion people every day, which could be the limit of their global growth, as some argue. In recent years, the company has therefore focused on another type of development, in particular through its acquisitions. Today, Facebook Incorporated has many other popular projects, including Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp, and Oculus VR. Facebook's headquarters are located in Menlo Park, California, USA.
In terms of market cap, the company is worth $446 billion.
The annual turnover, meanwhile, is $120 billion for 71,970 employees. 6. TSMC.
Taiwan's semiconductor manufacturing company is a circuit manufacturer and the world's largest
semiconductor foundry.
Its products are used in the computing, communication, consumer electronics, automotive and industrial equipment industries. It was founded in 1987 by Morris Chang and it became one of the first companies in the world to focus on the production of semiconductors. Over time, TSMC has acquired the title of leader in this field. Among the company's customers are Advanced Micro Devices, Broadcom Incorporated, Nvidia, Qualcomm and even Intel.
ST Microelectronics and Texas Instruments source some of their products from TSMC, but the biggest customer is undoubtedly Apple.
The company owes its success to a win-win business model where both parties benefit. TSMC has subsidiaries in China, Singapore and the United States, as well as offices in Europe, India and Japan.
The head office is located in Hsinchu, Taiwan.
In terms of market cap, the company is worth $406 billion.
The annual turnover, meanwhile, is $66 billion for 56,830 employees. 7. Nvidia.
Nvidia is one of the GPU manufacturers in the world, providing the fastest GPUs available for PCs, mobile devices, game consoles, workstations, and more.
The company had its first success in the video game market.
In 2000, it began a partnership with
Microsoft developing graphics cards for the Xbox game console.
Since then, the company has constantly improved its products, expanding its range and setting new standards in interactive graphics. Today, Nvidia is well known in gaming, professional design, video editing, creative applications, AI, data centers, and other technology sectors.
The company also offers SoC, System on Unit chips.
Nvidia's Tegra processor division develops chips incorporating GPUs and multi-core processors for autonomous robots, drones, medical devices, AI, cryptocurrency mining, and self-driving cars. In 2018, Nvidia entered into a partnership with Uber to develop the self-learning computer system for self-driving cars and the self-driving vehicle industry.
The company was founded by Jensen Huang, Curtis Preem and Christopher Malachowski in 1993. Its headquarters are in Santa Clara, California.
In terms of market cap, the company is worth $394 billion.
8. Tencent.
This Chinese giant, established in 1998, is a venture capital firm, conglomerate, investment group and one of the biggest companies in the gaming industry with its League of Legends, Arena of Valor and Fortnite.
Its products include e-commerce platforms, social networks, web portals, payment systems, internet
services, mobile and multiplayer games, smartphones, which are among the most famous in their categories.
More than 1 billion people actively use Tencent's online services every day.
Moreover, the company recently obtained the right to exclusively distribute the James Bond and Star Wars franchises in China.
The headquarters of Tencent Seafront Towers, also known as Tencent Binhai Mansion, is located in Nanshan District in Shenzhen, China.
In terms of market cap, the company is worth $394 billion. The annual turnover, meanwhile, is $87 billion for 112,771 employees.
9. Samsung.
Samsung is world famous as a producer of consumer electronics, even though it is a huge private
conglomerate active in various industries, from shipbuilding and aeronautics to life insurance.
The company has 3 technology divisions:
consumer electronics, information technology and AMP, mobile communications, and device solutions.
It should also be noted that, so far, Samsung is Apple's biggest competitor in the mobile market with its Galaxy smartphones and tablets. In recent years, most of Samsung's revenue, about 40%, has been related to smartphones.
The company was established in South Korea in 1938.
In 1969, Sanyo merged with Samsung, resulting in the Samsung Group. In 1983, the company began to produce personal computers. And in 1991 to 1992, the development of the first line of mobile phones was completed.
Samsung's headquarters are located in Suwon, the provincial capital of Gyeonggi-do, Republic of South Korea.
In terms of market cap, the company is worth $304 billion. The annual turnover, meanwhile, is $236 billion for 287,440 employees.
10. Alibaba Group.
Alibaba is one of the biggest internet shopping platforms in China and the world, attracting buyers with affordable prices and a wide range of products. Founded on April 4, 1999, the company provides consumer and business services through web portals,
electronic payment and cloud computing services, as well as an advanced search system for customers. Not to mention digital media and entertainment.
Its subsidiary Ant Financial has quickly become one of the most successful fintech companies in the world.
If its growth continues, Alibaba could even dethrone Amazon. The head office is located in Hangzhou, China.
In terms of market cap, the company is worth $276 billion. The annual turnover, meanwhile, is $133 billion for 254,941 employees.